It's Sanal and welcome to my channel, Sanal Beautiful Gems. We do lifestyle, we do get ready with me's and makeup, we do fashion and thrifting, and we just have a lot of fun over here on this channel. And so I hope you'll decide to be a part of our family and a part of our beautiful gems. And so I welcome you. First of all, I want to thank Angela and InspiredBy so much for having and hosting this amazing collab. And I appreciate Angela so much. She's got a wonderful, wonderful channel, and I just love her and love shopping with her. Especially, we've been trapped in the snow for a little while, and so it was great for her as she was getting out shopping, and that was just a lot of fun. And so I look forward to seeing more from Angela and more from InspiredBy. So I'm going to leave links below for this particular challenge collab so that you can check out all of the ladies who are participating. And so there's some amazing ladies. So I'm going to show you my quick, easy, and this is the quickest, easiest, cheapest DIY for a wreath, which is why I'm standing in my foyer, in my entryway in my house. And so this is the quickest. It's $3, guys, and I'm using some wide ties that I had off of something that I bought from Dollar Tree, and along with these little clips, you know, these little hanging things that you get for Christmas that you hang your you hang your ornaments on. So I'm just using that I already had. Just really snatched some out of my Christmas pile, and I'm gonna put this together, and this is what we're making. Reach down and grab it. So we're making this, all right? And so all of the pieces come from Dollar Tree. It's 1, 2, 3. And so I'm just going to show a small little clip of me putting that all together. And then we're going to come back and I'm going to put this on my wreath, the existing wreath that I already have. And then we're going to come right back. All right, guys? So hang on if you want to see how we achieve this cheap, easy Dollar Tree DIY for Valentine's Day. Guys, we'll see how easy that was to put together. I mean, wasn't that amazing? All right, so here we are. The finished product, as you can see, is 3 pieces. One, the love in the middle, and this one on the end. And these, I got all 3 of these pieces from Dollar Tree. So now we're gonna just put this on my door. And it's dark out because it's been raining all day. I thought I would get more light today, but it's just been a muggy, buggy day. Alrighty. So I'm going to take my C down, which was for Christmas. So I'm going to take that down. Alright, so this was a gift, And so C is our last name. And so, isn't that cute? And so I always put this up for Christmas every year. Sometimes I leave it up all year. I just love it. But it has the red and the green. But we want something for Valentine's Day. And so here we are. See, that's my wreath still has family on the bottom. You might want to go check out my wreath that I did for how I refreshed this for the fall. And so now we're gonna, I just used the same wreath and we're refreshing it for Valentine's Day. Guys, well, that's my quick and easy DIY. You can see all the traffic going by. But this is my quick and easy DIY. And I think it's absolutely gorgeous. And so I hope that you're refreshing your home for Valentine's Day and you're doing something that's quick, simple, and easy. You can use the things that you already have. It's really quick and easy to do. That cost me, as I said, all of $3. And it looks beautiful and gorgeous for Valentine's Day. And so it's just amazing what you can do when you put your mind to it. And so that's also our Gemspiration tip for today. Whatever you put your mind to, you can do it. If you want to refresh, you can do it. If you want to go back to school, you can do it. I bet it's much easier than you think. All you have to do is put your mind to it. All right, well, thanks again to Angela and InspiredBy for hosting this amazing, amazing collab. I'm going to link the playlist and also so you can check out all of the amazing ladies who are participating in this collab. I'm also going to link Angela's channel and InspiredBy's channel so that you can check out all of the fabulous, amazing things that they do over on their channel. Well, guys, I sure hope you subscribe to my channel. I hope you liked this little DIY. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and comment below and let me know what you're doing to refresh your home for Valentine's Day. All right, until next time, guys, know how beautiful and amazing you are. Know how talented and sophisticated and smart and savvy and cute and frugal you are. You're balling, and we can all ball on a budget together. Know how much I love you and know how much God does too. I love you guys. See you in the next video.